End your trading losses forever with an actual $21,737.29 per week profit generator and a 94.4% win rate. In case you were doing the math, that's $86,949.15 in monthly income. I've got the actual live trading statement, and I'm going to prove to you that you could throw away your signal service and your trading system and harness this insane earning power for yourself. Hi, it's Jessie with Tradeology, and today you can probably tell is going to be different. And I don't just mean that I'm about to show you something amazing, something that has created $173,898 in wealth in less than 8 weeks, something that allows a regular home trader with zero experience and zero available time to trade with the exact same setups and the exact same flexibility as a 3-time World Forex trading champion for profits like these. Like I said, amazing, right? So you will see exactly how home traders can now trade side by side with one of the greatest traders Forex has ever seen and match him move for move and pip for pip in real time. But I'm also here to debunk one of the biggest myths in trading and show you why signals, even really good ones, lie to you. Okay, maybe they don't actually lie, but they sure don't tell you the whole truth. And what those signals leave out is deadly to your profits and your account. So keep watching and I'll show you why technology has been failing you and what you can do to short circuit your losses and trade with the confidence and expertise of a professional without having to learn almost anything at all. First, you need to understand one important truth. Your failure to make real money from trading is not your fault. First, I'm going to demonstrate to you in just a couple of minutes why there is no robot, no system, no signal in the world that can just plunk money into your account. And I'll also show you what could fill your account with pips and cold hard cash and has a 94.4% success rate doing it too. It's called the Trade Command Center because it is a living, breathing trading brain. The ability to be inside the head of a world champion trader while he trades and follow his moves step for step in your own account. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm just so excited to show you what is possible. So first, I'll explain why signals lie and how your failure isn't yours at all. You didn't fail at anything. Your technology failed you. Now, before you worry that I'm about to leap into some long, drawn-out story that has nothing to do with you, let me put your fears to rest. Because I'm going to show you in just 3 simple steps how technology fails traders, and then blow your mind with how Trade Command Center is making 92 to 95% actual winning trades across the board. Deal? Cool. Then stick with me for the next couple of minutes and I'll explain. Signal services seem like a fantastic idea. You get confirmed trade entries and exits so you don't have to spend hours researching and doing complex calculations to catch a wave. And AI is great for a lot of things. Algorithms can be programmed to scan for signals, to calculate entry and exit points, and even tell you how much you can safely risk. They can dump terabytes of data in your lap hourly. You know what AI can't do? Be flexible and adjust to rapidly changing conditions. In short, software cannot effectively manage your trade for you. Why? Because algorithms can only do what it is programmed to do. Provide data and maybe filter it by 1 or 2 levels. That's it. That's great if price runs in a nice, fairly straight line between point A and point B. But what happens in between those automated in and out signals? Often, a lot. Because it's in that blank space between your entry and exit that you lose money if you don't practice good trade management. Which means by the time you get to point B, it's moved far below your safety net and cost you a lot of cash you just cannot afford to lose. Because here's what the average trade really looks like. All that area where you don't act is where when the trade flash crashes, it bottoms you out with a huge loss, or where the profits are so good that you should have added a second position and doubled down to double your income. But your fancy, expensive signal service can't tell you all of that. It can't show you where to adjust your stop loss or double your profit potential because that's not what it's programmed to do. The same goes for most trading systems. They look really good on a chart, but unless you understand what all those indicators mean, you're right back to square one, researching, calculating, and confirming it all for yourself. And still, nothing is showing you exactly how to manage your trades to maximize your profit and minimize your risk. So like I said, you didn't fail. Your technology failed you. Because whether you're trading signals or 18 layers of indicators, you lack 3 things you must have to become a successful, wealthy trader: flexibility, speed, and expertise. Now this is where things get good, really good for you. Because Trade Command Center, the same solution that I showed you earlier, the one that made $173K in almost no time, the one that is killing it with a 94.4% win rate, provides all 3 key elements, especially the expertise, so that you don't have to do anything but read a comment and copy and paste a level to trade exactly, step for step, pip for pip, like a 3-time world champion trader. Because you'll be able to follow his actual personal live trades in real time and manage them exactly the same way he does. Not because some piece of software is going to show you how to think like him, but because he will be giving you unprecedented access to his trades and all of his trade management live in real time. That's why we call it Trade Command Center. And that's why the only trader we could partner with who has the expertise and discipline to lead you into profit is 3-time world Forex champion Toshko Raychev. I'll tell you more about Toshko in a few. First, let's have him show you how it's done.
So, as you can see, the first thing that we have over here, when you open Trade Command Center, you will see this table, this dashboard, right? And that's the basis of this Trade Command Center. Basically, the first thing of this table is the date. Date means the date when I posted this signal or when I modified it for the last time. Then we have the pair. So the pair that we are using to take this trade. Then we have time frame. Time frame, in this case, it's H4, 4 hour. Then we have direction, which means sell or buy trade. So in this case, the first one is sell. You see, it will be colored red and sell. Then we have entry price. So exact entry price that you should place your entry on. Then we have stop loss, where you should set your stop loss exactly. Then we have TP1, means take profit 1, right? So this will be the price for the first take profit target. Then we have TP2, which means the second take profit target. And then we have this chart over here. It will show you the actual chart of the trade. So you see, you have stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. In this case, for this trade, it's like this because the first take profit target was being hit. So I closed half of the position over here and moved the stop loss to break even for the rest of it.
See, you don't have to watch your charts all day long, afraid to take your eyeballs off your trades, because Toshko alerts you when he sees a shift or an opportunity to expand your position. And then he shows you the exact levels he adjusted so you can adjust yours too. Trade Command Center gives you the best of both worlds, real, time-confirmed signals generated by Toshko's personal software, plus the data evaluation and expertise of Toshko himself trading live. You get the raw computing power of a cloud-based trading solution that filters every trade with 5 custom indicators combined with the seasoned, step-by-step moves of a champion professional trader, all live in real time. So you get the ultimate in data filtration plus super simple copy and paste levels so you can take any trade in seconds. And you can do so with the confidence that everything you see is confirmed and evaluated by Toshko himself. And here's why that matters. Not only is he pulling an outrageous 94.4% win rate on Trade Command Center, historically, the man just wins at virtually everything he does. The first time he was crowned the world surefire Forex trading champion, he did it with a 651.5% profit in a single week of trading. And he came back to finish at the top twice more. Over 80,000 people worldwide follow his moves on social media, and he's worked with more than 5,000 people to help them trade like he does. Here's just some of what his trading students have to say. This fellow made over 100 pips before he even left for work in the morning. And here he's closing in on 250 peeps in just 1 week. Amazing. This trader, totally new to the Forex market, made $778 overnight. Amazing. This trader made $2,800 after 2 hours of having TCC plugged in. This trader won over $1,700 in US income from only 8 trades using the tools from Trade Command Center. As he says, we have real knowledge and we want to share it with you. That's what it's all about. And even with all that, the guy still finds time to be in incredible physical shape and is a director for the International Karate Alliance too. So when I tell you Toshko is the only person we could have partnered with for such an amazing set of tools, I mean it.
Over here, we have comments, right? Just below the trade. So in this case, it says, as I said, first target already hit, half of the position closed, and move is supposed to break even. You see? So I'm giving like hints that, what happened really and what I have done and what you could do as well, right?
See what I mean? Anyone can throw data at you and walk away, but Toshko goes further, making sense of what you're seeing and telling you exactly how to trade it like he does. You will never see a setup on Trade Command Center that Toshko has not personally verified and confirmed. And if the market shifts, Toshko is right there with full comments on the trades to show you how to refine your position or get out fast, so you make more money and keep more of it. Because that's the name of the game. And the fastest way to that money isn't to burden you with months of education and trial and error while you figure it out. The fastest, simplest way to get you to the money is to do all of that for you and provide you the expertly confirmed signals, filtered data, entries, exits, and more. So all you need to do is point and click, copy and paste to take a trade that is 94.4% more likely to make you money than any setup you've ever seen before. And that's only the beginning. Remember how I promised you a peek inside that insane $173,000 live statement? I'm going to walk you through the important parts right now, and then I'm going to show you exactly how he did it. This is Toshko's actual real account statement. Nothing has been changed. In a 7-week period, Toshko took 36 trades. He won 34 of those trades for an average profit per trade of $5,629.50. He won 23 consecutive trades that made him over $117,000 and took only 2 losses. He did it all with the rock-solid confirmations that power Trade Command Center. So you will have full access to the same confirmed signals, the same news, the same setups, and levels he uses to make all that money. Plus, you'll have access to Toshko and all his live trading moves in real time. Trade Command Center updates every 15 minutes, so you get the freshest information possible. And whenever Toshko refines a position, you will see his changes and comments live inside the members area. Here, let me show you what I mean. First, you get the filtered data in an easy-to-read and use table that provides instant entries, exits, and risk-to-reward ratios in a single click. At its simplest, all you have to do is copy and paste the levels from Toshko's own active charts to trade live with him and his championship expertise. A second click provides you with Toshko's own active trading chart and his personal instructions and recommendations on how to read the data for a successful trade. When you scroll down the page, you also see a stunningly simple dashboard that shows you in real time and full color the live meters confirming volume, volatility, and overall trend for each of the 8 major pairs. That's a total of 26 gauges, tracking it all right on your screen. And you see that little icon in the corner? That is your live chat window where you can talk to Toshko and his team live in real time via Facebook Messenger. Toshko is on call to answer your questions, help you dial in your positions, and show you how to get in, get out, and get all the money you can. Here's how it works in real time.
I will show you just now. So just below this most important part of my Trade Command Center, we have something special. It's called this part technical analysis. And it's for the major pairs. So, for example, over here, the first one is EUR/USD. So, as you can see, it says 14 of the default indicators are pointing to buy, 9 neutral, and 3 to sell. So, mostly buy. You have different time frames. So, for example, if you click on 5 minutes, it will show different. You see how it changes. If we go, let's say, on 4 hour, let's see how it works. 4 hour, it works by. Let's see, weekly. Neutral, you see. So
And of course, what I noticed on there also is that news, you got an economic calendar.
Yes, that's another important part of this really beautiful trade command center.
Did you see him scroll down to the economic calendar in news? That's yet another layer of safety Toshko and Trade Command Center provide you, giving you not only the standard major economic news and breaking news, but also the curated news feeds for each major geographic market. So you get everything from high-impact trading news from the Fed to Elon Musk's latest market-moving tweet in one smooth and easy-to-read interface. It's easy to see how home traders from all over are reaping the rewards of trading live with Toshko and Trade Command Center in just seconds, shaving mountains of time and stress off their trading careers while adding zeros to their accounts fast. How fast? Let me show you. If you started with a small $1,500 account and Toshko's 94.4% win rate, you could double your money in under 30 days, taking just 2 trades a day with a conservative 2% risk profile. And if you kept your earnings in the market and used the power of compounding to keep building your account, your $1,500 profit could double again, even faster. Meaning you could easily pull $1,500 in pure profit from the market on a weekly basis, even if you have very little capital to start. I don't know about you, but $1,500 a week in extra income would come in very handy right now. Not to mention what adding $1,500 a week to your savings could do for your retirement nest egg. That's why I'm so excited, because now for the very first time ever, you can have Trade Command Center for your home use at an incredible introductory price. Having Toshko as your personal trading coach available virtually on call normally costs $1,000 per hour. So although you'll get many hours of his time, we'll agree to value it at a single hour, so a $1,000 value. Subscription to his live trades and signals has never been available before, but a yearly subscription to the basic TCC signals will run you $99 per month. That's $1,200 annually after this introductory offer ends. Add in the step-by-step levels, risk calculation, trading commentary, and that's another $2,000 easy. Which brings Trade Command Center to a total of $4,200 in live coaching and tools. Plus, the amazing live chat with Toshko and his team via Facebook Messenger, which is honestly priceless, but we'll call it another $1,000 in value, for a total of $5,200. However, because you accepted our VIP invitation and are watching this video today, you can have immediate Trade Command Center access, including immediate access to Toshko's personal signals, his live trades, including every level with rock-solid confirmation of a 94.4% more profitable trade. Not for $5,200, not even for $3,000, or even $1,000. You get all of that. Trade Command Center and the power of trading live with a 3-time world champion for just $499. And if you want to learn how Toshko's trading brain works and how to trade exactly like he does, you also get a constant feed of trading education in the Lessons tab, which means you get live communication in real time, plus live trading calls and recorded video trading lessons, all as part of Trade Command Center when you join. That's another $2,000 value completely free when you join Trade Command Center. So that's a base value of $5,200 plus the amazing live education and live trading component, and the value skyrockets to upwards of $7,200. But wait, there's more. If you take advantage of this insane introductory offer, Toshko is also handing you his championship-winning Surefire system, the one with the 651.5% profit for a single week. Another $1,500 value completely free. Consider it your thank you gift from the champ himself. The system that made him champion is yours for zero cost. That brings the full value of everything in the TCC bundle to $8,700. And as I said today, because you are seeing this exclusive introductory offer, you won't pay more than a fraction of that. You'll get all of Trade Command Center for just $499. Now, as I said, this is an exclusive introductory price for only those who see this video. Once the introductory period ends, the regular yearly subscription price of $1,200 will be in force. And I have no idea if the Surefire system's 651% profit power will remain part of it. So, if you want to trade with power so complete it gives you everything you need to trade without you lifting a finger, with all the flexibility and expertise of a world champion master trader, and you want that power today, click here and we'll help you get started. Remember, this exclusive introductory offer won't last, so click below now to get in for the massive VIP discount.